Welcome to the FixtureCare tutorial video. This video will demonstrate how to navigate our app for all your fixture tracking and compliance needs. Once you have downloaded the FixtureCare app and created an account, please sign in to view your dashboard. Dashboard. The dashboard encompasses a general view of all the facilities under your company. Your company name can be found at the top left-hand corner of the page. Your dashboard consists of three main components: the facility summary card, notifications, and reports. The facility summary card provides an overview of the facility, such as the facility name and important compliance dates. It also includes icons at the bottom that sum up the facility and its fixtures. Let's take a moment to review what each icon represents. The first icon represents the number of buildings or the number of floors, depending on which screen you are viewing. The second icon represents the number of point-of-use filters, while the third icon shows the number of sinks. The fourth icon represents the number of toilets, and the fifth icon shows the number of showers. Finally, the last icon represents the number of ice machines. These icons can summarize a facility, a building, or a room depending on which screen you are currently viewing. For example, if you are on the dashboard screen as we are, the buildings icon represents the number of buildings within the facility. The notifications component shows you the most recent notifications for your system. These can be accessed by clicking on the notification itself. You can view between read and unread notifications by clicking on the Show Read checkbox. The Reports component shows you the most recent reports for your system. More about reports will be discussed later in the tutorial. Overall, your dashboard is a one-stop shop summarizing your company and can be accessed anytime by clicking the Rooms tab on the Task Manager below. Buildings. Now, let's take a look at how you can explore a facility further. Upon clicking on a facility's summary card, you are taken to its building page. Here you can view all the buildings for the facility. You can find the total number of buildings in the facility on the top right-hand corner of the page. The summary card and icons are now broken down by buildings. Departments. To view the departments in a building, simply click the summary card for the building of your choice. On this page, you can see the different departments for a building by floor. Use the slider on the top of the page to access different floors within the building. The upper search bar can be used to search for a particular department on a floor. In order to view the details of a department, such as the number or type of rooms, click on the drop-down menu on the right-hand side of the department name. The total number of rooms for a department can be found just alongside the drop-down option. Now you can use the lower search bar to search for a particular room or scroll to view the different rooms in the department. The summary card now provides details for a room such as the room number, room name, types of fixtures, and so on. Rooms. To take a closer look at the rooms, simply click on the summary card for the desired room. Here you can find detailed information about the room. This includes the room number, name, department, floor, the number and types of fixtures, important dates, before and after photos, and details about the fixtures, such as insert types and flow rates. This page summarizes all the work completed. You can view the previous or next room in the department using the left and right arrow keys on the top of the screen. Alerts. Now that we have discussed how to navigate and explore a facility, let's look at some of the other features of the FixtureCare app. Let's start with alerts. To access the alerts page, simply click on Alerts on the task manager at the bottom of your screen. Alerts are messages sent to you by our field technicians if they notice any red flags while servicing your fixtures. You can view these alerts by year, as well as active versus resolved. These alerts show the room number, date, and a description. To resolve an alert, simply click on Resolve for a particular alert. This will take you to a new page where you can resolve the alert. Please make sure to add a note and a date before saving and marking the alert as resolved. Alerts are also viewable on the dashboard under Notifications. Reports. Another feature of the FixtureCare app is Reports. A report is essentially a detailed summary of the work completed. To access the Reports page, simply click on Reports on the Task Manager. This will take you to a page with a list of your facilities. Click on a particular facility's summary card to view its reports. Reports are differentiated by year and month. To view a report, simply click on one. The report will now be available for you to view, download, and print. Sheets. The Sheets page can be accessed by clicking Sheets on the Task Manager. The Sheets page allows you to view and download compliance documentation and product cut sheets. To do so, simply click on the product or service of interest. Accounts. To view or change your account settings, click on Accounts on the Task Manager. Here you can modify your password, log out, or delete your account. You can also view our privacy policy on this page. This brings us to the end of our tutorial. Please note that some features may be different as our app is constantly updating. If you have any questions or require further information, please feel free to visit our website or contact Water Saver Solutions at info@fixturecare.com. FixtureCare, care that reduces biofilm.